Friendly Ford in Roselle today. Getting a little surprise addition to the Bronco. Can't wait to see it. Here we go. Ain't they a beauty? These are the fuel Zephyrs. 17 by 9. We've left the spacers on, so that's why you'll have quite a bit of poke there. If they rub, we'll take them off. But hell, we figured might as well try them on first. Man, these things look good. I don't know if they do as good in the video as they do in person, but they look great. So, thank our friends at Midwest Treads. Did a great job here. And thank you, Friendly Ford, for getting these put on for us. If you're in the market for some new wheels for your Bronco or your other Fords, I highly recommend checking them out. They know Fords. They know what works and what won't work. So if you have questions about offsets, widths, fitment, rubbing issues, hit them up. They'll be able to help you out, give you the correct information. Awesome, guys.